Palestine activists, pro Palestine activists. I think I consider Palestine activists heroic people that
Just try to keep eyes on.
When they go, all right, there's a policeman. weakness in the British government, do your duty, stop the guards and journalists. British
Free them all! Break the chains and let them fall! 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 Free the people, free the land! 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 Justice is our demand! Justice is our demand! Justice is our demand! Justice is our demand! Free the people, free them all! Free the people, free them all! Free the people, free them all! Break the chains and let them fall! 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 Free the people, free the land! 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 Break the chains! Justice is our demand! Justice is our demand! Justice is our demand! Free the people, free them all! 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 Break the chains and let them fall! 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 Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Palestine!
mission. What have they just done? They've shut down 3 enemy sites. You are here. Down places of war, and you by extension are Palestine action. And therefore, you must concentrate. Say you will free Palestine. We 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 will free Palestine.
Down a bit is probably the best.
I'll move when everyone else is. Noted your request. Thank you. You know my request as well. We have to get one to move on to paper. Move on to paper.